कंटिन्यू मत कर. Okay, ready? So listen here. What are you doing? Listen. So next is very easy. Potentiometer is already completed. So very easy this one. Application of potentiometer. Already two applications are there. First one is compare the EMF of two cells. So two cell का EMF compare करना चाहिए. What is the meaning of EMF? Electromotive force. Actually voltage is EMF. Okay. So listen here. For this application, I am just rearrange my potentiometer. How many changes are there? आप बोलो. क्या क्या चेंजेस है? टू सेल्स है. कंपेयर करने के लिए टू सेल चाहिए. सो मैं इधर भी एक सेल डाल दिया, इधर भी एक सेल डाल दिया. ओके. देन एनी अदर चेंजेस? Ammeter is there. I'm right? Okay, listen here. This much of changes. The driver circuit, otherwise the primary circuit contain cell, ammeter, rheostat, key. That is only change in ammeter. What is the use of ammeter, Pradiksha? Ammeter का यूज क्या है? To read current read करेगा ना. What is the use of galvanometer? To detect current. So ammeter to read the current, galvanometer to detect the current. Current का presence है तो galvanometer के देखूंगा, reading नहीं मिलेगा. But ammeter क्या करूँगा? Presence already मिलेगा, but reading भी इसके साथ हम लोग को मिलेगा. ठीक है? That is the ammeter. Next, secondary circuit have a lot of changes. First one is normally galvanometer jockey is the connection, but now we should arrange cell 1 and cell 2 just like a alternate connection is also possible here through the galvanometer to jockey. Okay, then how it will be used? Listen here. It consists of a potentiometer of wire AB from the terminal A से connect हो गया ना, terminal A. These are the two cells of having EMF E1 and E2 which gives the null point. You remember the just before the working condition I am telling you, we should connect it as cell and moving this jockey, we should get a point. That point time, opposite direction of current is passing through the galvanometer. Deflection is 0. बोलते हैं ना? The same will be happening here also. Listen again. कैसे? First we should switch on this key and connecting this 3 to 1. 3 1 में connect कर दिया. So no roll in the case of E2. E2 को अभी roll कुछ नहीं है. Okay. So how it be going on? The cell is also providing current. This circuit is providing which current? Steady state current. Okay. So this current is flowing from positive to negative. This is the direction in the case of galvanometer. This current is flowing from positive to negative. This is the direction of the another current. Both are opposite and same current, so the deflection of the galvanometer is 0. कहाँ starting से 0 होगा? नहीं. I am just moving this jockey. Any one of the point, I am getting the galvanometer deflection is 0. That point is called as balancing point. This balancing point is also known as null point. Okay, that is the length of the first condition. So that's the reason I am writing E1 equal to KL1. You remember how when we get it? Because of V equal to KL. You remember what is the principle of potentiometer? V equal to KL. Am I right? In this case, V equal to cell. K is the potential gradient. E1 का first cell का length कितना है? L1. What is the meaning of L1? Null point length. That is L1. This much clear? Similarly, repeat the process. The second step, I am just removing this connection. Connected to 2 to 3. This current is flowing through positive to negative. This current is always here positive to negative. Equal and opposite current. But the cell is different. So you should get the another expression. Connection from 3 to 2. E2 equal to KL2. What is this L2? Null point of the second cell. Clear everyone? समझ रहे क्या? Okay. So two expressions मिला ना? E1 equal to KL1, E2 equal to KL2. I dividing the equation 1 and 2. E1 equal to KL1 divided by E2 equal to KL2. K same है ना निधु? क्यों? Why the K is same? सोच के आंसर बोलो. You can. Potential gradient of this potentiometer. Potential gradient एक ही potentiometer का same है. दूसरा पोटेंशियोमीटर में भी डिफरेंट, बट हम लोग सही पोटेंशियोमीटर यूज कर रहे हैं ना. So potential gradient is same, that means constant. So K will be constant, so we can to cancel. The answer is E1 E2 equal to L1 by L2. L1 वैल्यू आप लोगों को मालूम है ना, पोटेंशियोमीटर से रीडिंग मिलेगा ना, L2 वैल्यू भी मिलेगा, पोटेंशियोमीटर से रीडिंग मिलेगा, that's length. So which one is unknown? E1 and E2 is unknown. So L1 L2 we know, L1 L2 we know, so automatically we can to compare with E1 and E2. समझ गया? How to compare the two EMF of using a potentiometer? So what is the basic use of the potentiometer? To measure the potential. Other use क्या है? Potential को comparison भी हो जाएगा. Clear everyone? समझ गया? नहीं. Pause the video please. Listen here once more. We should consider B equal to KL. B equal to KL. We already know the expression. So first we should connect this 3 to 1. 3 1 में connect करेगा. So we know two current connection in the galvanometer. One is in this direction, one is in this direction. So opposite current मिलेगा ना. So we should move the jockey like that. एक ही point में deflection 0 हो जाएगा. That point is called as null point. That length is called as L1. So आप लोगों को क्या मिला? E1 equal to K L1 मिला. Okay. Then this 3 is connected to 2. 3 2 में connect कर दिया. फिर भी galvanometer में 2 current मिलेगा. Jockey move करेगा. Another length मिला. Am I right? So that is L2. So E2 equal to K L2. So L1 L2 value you already know. Maybe example this L1 L2 value है मेरे को. तो अभी हम लोग का एक्सप्रेशन मालूम है E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. I am getting this L1 value is 48. L2 value 48 का है 24. ठीक है ना? 48 by 24. So simplify करो क्या है? 2 मिलेगा ना आंसर 2. So E1 by E2 equal to 2 by 1. That is the meaning. I am right?
Yes.
इतना समझ गया? Cross multiply करो ना सर. 1 into E1 equal to 2 into E2 2 E2. So what is the meaning is that 2 times of the second cell is equal to first cell. So which cell is more powerful? E1 is the more powerful. That is called as a comparison. That is use of the potentiometer. Pause the video.